The seamless sump filter is designed to provide optimal filtration for long periods of time between cleanings, but no filter can operate indefinitely without service. This video will show you how the technicians at Serenity Aquarium and Aviary Services do routine maintenance on a seamless sump filter. Begin servicing the filter by turning off the power to the pumps, heater, and ultraviolet sterilizer by either closing the power switch or unplugging the power cords. The aquarium should become silent as the caps on the siphon stopper emitters break the backflow of water into the sump. Allow the water that is still in the hose from the H2 overflow to drain into the filter sock tub. Organize your work area while the water is draining. Lay some towels out in front of the aquarium to catch spilled water. You will need an empty bucket for used materials, a bucket with about 2/3 full of water to rinse parts of the filter in, enough clean biomedia for 1 media basket, new or recharged chemical media, and a clean filter sock. Use a siphon hose to remove the water from the filter sock tub. Drain water from the bottom of the tub in order to remove any sediment that is accumulated there. Remove as much of the water from the tub as possible. When the tub is empty, move the siphon hose to the left side of the baffle tub so it can begin to drain. Remove the dirty filter sock from the filter sock tub and place it in the empty bucket. Install a clean filter sock, making sure the top ring is seated securely in the tub's hanging bracket. Drain all of the water from the left side of the baffle tub. Drain from the bottom to remove sediment that may have settled there. Once the chamber is empty, move the hose to the right side of the baffle tub so that it will be draining as you service the media baskets. Remove the top media basket from the baffle tub. Take out the pre-filter sponge and rinse it thoroughly in the bucket of water. Remove the stainless steel drip plate and rinse it off as well. Remove the used chemical filter media and place them in the bucket with the dirty filter sock. Rinse the now empty media basket. Place the new or recharged chemical media in the bottom of the basket. Replace the drip plate and then the pre-filter. Set the reassembled media basket on the right end of your workspace. This is important. Set it down on the right side of the workspace. Remove the next media basket from the filter. Empty the ceramic biomedia into the used materials bucket. Rinse the now empty basket. Refill the basket with the clean biomedia. Set this basket on the left side of your workspace. This is also very important. Set the basket with the new media on the left side of the workspace. Remove the next media basket in the filter and carefully rinse it and the filter media in the bucket of water. Stir the biomedia around to loosen any debris. Dunk the whole basket in and out of the water several times to remove most of the loosened dirt. Let the basket drain a bit and then set this basket immediately to the left of the basket on the right side of the workspace. Repeat the cleaning procedure with each of the remaining baskets in the filter, setting each basket down on the workspace from right to left. The sequence of the baskets on the workspace is important. After all the media baskets have been cleaned, reassemble the media basket stack in the filter. starting with the basket on the left end of your workspace, which is the basket with the fresh biomedia, so that it will be on the bottom of the stack. Replace each of the baskets into the filter from left to right. Make sure that each basket is set securely into the basket below it. Replacing the baskets in this sequence is rotating the biomedia in the filter. The newest biomedia will always be on the bottom of the stack, and the oldest will always be on the top. By replacing one basket full of old media with new media every service, you are ensuring that the beneficial bacteria colony in the filter is healthy and growing. By the time you have finished cleaning the media baskets, the right side of the baffle tub will be empty or close to it. When all the water is out of the chamber, move the hose to the reservoir tub, if the filter system has one, so that it can drain. Unhook each of the water pumps from the return hoses. Remove them and inspect them. Make sure that the intake screens are clean. If there is any type of sound dampening material in the filter, remove it and rinse it in the water bucket. Remove the heater from the baffle tub and inspect it for damage. Make sure that the temperature setting is where you want it to be and that the inside of the heater is dry. If there is water in the heater, discard it and replace it. Replace all the equipment and the sound dampening material into the baffle tub. Reconnect the pumps and arrange them so they are not touching each other or the sides of the baffle tub. Once the reservoir tub, if present, has been completely drained, it is now time to refill the filter and get it started. Refill each of the seamless sump tubs with clean water up to the prescribed levels. As the tubs are filling, inspect all the hoses and connections for damage or signs of leakage, and repair any problems that you find. While the tubs are filling, add dechlorinating chemical to each of the tubs to remove the chlorine from the tap water. When the tubs are full, stop the flow of water from the hose, but leave it in the filter. Turn the power to the equipment back on, then wait 5 minutes for the aquarium and filter system to balance. Watch this process, and make sure that the water does not overflow any of the tubs as it leaves the aquarium, or that the water level in the pump chamber of the baffle tub does not run dry. If the pump chamber is at risk of emptying before the aquarium and filter balance, use the hose to slowly add water to the pump chamber, just fast enough to keep water flowing through the pumps. When the aquarium and filter system have been running for a few minutes and the water levels in the filter system have stopped changing, use the hose to add or remove water as is necessary to bring the water level in the right side of the baffle tub to the correct level. Finish up by inspecting all the under cabinet space and make sure that it is neat and clean. Use a damp towel to wipe off any surfaces that are dirty. Inspect all the equipment to make sure that it is running properly and that the water is flowing through the filter correctly. Make sure that the timers for the lights and the UV sterilizer are set properly. Once you are sure that the filter is functioning normally, replace the glass tops on the filter. Close the cabinet and clean up your workspace. The seamless sump filter is now clean and ready to maintain the aquarium until the next service.